Have you ever wondered what the future of organ transplants might look like? The current state of organ transplants is fraught with challenges. There's an agonizing shortage of donors, and even when a match is found, there's a risk of the body rejecting the new organ. Then there's the waiting game, the often long and uncertain wait for a suitable match. Now close your eyes and imagine a world where these problems no longer exist, a world where we can grow our own replacement organs. This world might not be as far off as you think, thanks to the development of bioprinting technology. Our journey begins in the early 2000s, when the concept of bioprinting was just a seed of an idea. Scientists were dreaming of a future where medical technology could construct organs from scratch, a dream that was not too far from fruition. Fast forward to 2006, a landmark year in the history of bioprinting. The world witnessed the first successful bioprinting of a bladder. This was no small feat, as the bladder is a complex organ, and this achievement laid the groundwork for what was yet to come. The year 2013 marked another crucial milestone, this time the creation of a miniature kidney. This was a step beyond the previous achievement, as the kidney is even more complex, both structurally and functionally. This breakthrough demonstrated that bioprinting was not just a dream, but a reality that was rapidly unfolding. And here we are in 2024, standing on the precipice of even more exciting advancements. The field has evolved at an exponential rate, and we're closer than ever to a future where we can print complex organs like the heart or the liver. These advancements have brought us closer to a reality where organ transplants are not limited by the availability of donors. The evolution of bioprinting technology is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of science in the service of humanity. So what does the future hold for bioprinted organs? Well, let's take a moment to imagine a world